It's about time. It's about time people should know the truth. People should know the truth now. The old people, they know. Nelson Mandela, the 94 one, the one came on prison later on. It was a fake one. Mandela lo nimaziyo nina abantwana bamanje ama-2000 enifunda ngayo lo wamanje washona manje. I think it was 2011 if I'm not mistaken. That was a clone. The real Madiba vele kade basaba ukuthi ashone because they knew ukuthi kuzoba nenkinga ezoyenzeka once wakushona uMandela. Umhlaba uzojikeleza, umhlaba ugubude kwade wonke umuntu because they respected that guy so much. Mandela uthe makase prison nginitsheleni into ningayazi. Wagula wa-admithwa esibhedlela. It was 1985. It's where uDr zama ukumphilisa uMandela washonela ejele. Mandela is the way beza nani ne-clone. There was some guy called, check i-research ngizonsendela khona lama kuma-comment. That guy, I think it was a Shona. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it was a Shona. Bamthatha bamtrainer how to move like Mandela, then bayenza i-plastic surgery as it is. I-mistake was bayenzile yini intsumpa kaMandela bengapha ngaku-right, bayifaka ngapha ngaku-left. So they realized that in 94. Then they saw that it's too late to change that. And then the other thing, Guti why Winnie Mandela, they never tell anyone about this, but they knew this thing will come out. Okay, waphuma Mandela kwajabula wonke umuntu, Winnie Madikizela Mandela wafika ba celebrate. Kwathiwa makasebasendlini baloku bacoca bakhumbuzana into zakudala. Hayi man, umfazi wabona ukuthi akusuye uMandela ngalobola naye lo akusumandela ngimaziyo lo. Then Mandela you contact, Winnie Mandela a contact abafubabo abu Zuma and all stuff, abu Malema babizwa, and then is why people they saw go to K-Sharp. Winnie Mandela realized that, and they remember Winnie Mandela, she was so powerful. That woman, she was so fucking powerful. Guti angachincha umhlaba in 1 minute. That lady. Okay, Sharp. Wazama ukuthi okay Sharp ukuthi yabona ukuthi abantu sebahippie kangakanani and all stuff ukuthi uMandela ubuyile. Yes, we tried. Siyenzile ne video nokuthi uMandela kadagule sinonke ukuthi simbulele and all stuff. Siyacela na isigidigidi semali bambani imali nina in phakathi kwa parliament. And then number 2, after this thing nizoba ama-president one by one ukuthi nifundile as long nikenaba ku-struggle and niyazi indaba kaMandela nizoba ama-president one by one. Sizoqala according to uMbeki after lapho kuze bani. Sorry for that call. And then yaqhubeka kanjalo le ndaba le. Yaqhubeka kanjalo. So after lapho ukuthi futhi enye into kwayenzakala baphila bamkhumbuza uWinnie Mandela bathi yakhumbula ukuthi enye into mongayikhuluma lento le wena wabulala uStompie wena. There was a short guy called Stompie. Now in history abamvezi kakhulu, and that guy was supposed to be history yakhe bokumele iphumelele njengabo wabona ngathi sine youth league, youth day and all stuff. That guy was supposed to be celebrated. Okay, sasiphezu kwale ndaba. Futhi why babulale uChrizane. Chrizane he didn't never agree. Kade angavumi. Angafuni ukuvuma total. Ngale ndaba le yokuthi yena kumele alikhuluma iqiniso, ufuna ukukhuluma ukuthi uMandela ukuphi waphelela lapha. Watshela lo baba lo omlungu lo wacula lo wakhipha le ngoma ethi asembona Mandela tena laphe khona laphe fili khona Yeah, that song was released, and then that song was too powerful. They even paid that white guy. Please, close your mouth. Nice kitty semali. Did that guy release again? No. Phili Life FM phezulu. One hit, reach, same time. So phezulu, awusaquli. So we history. Come on, guys, think about it. Okay, uKhrizana babona ukuthi this is a threat. Fucking kill him. Bambulala uKhrizana. They saw people who were fucking angry. Babona ukuthi nalo bhunu limbulele wazini. Brame sakuqela ifamily yakho izoba rich. Sicela ukuthi uvele uboshwe nje. Uyohlala iminyaka just uboshwe si police South Africa. Waboshwa lo mlungu lo. And then sikhuluma kanje manje 2025 uphume, I think if I'm not mistaken uphume 2023 or 2024 ejele, and sakagugile manje lo mlungu lo, and sakayakhuluma ukuthi ukhulumile unayo interview yakhuluma ukuthi uze kanjani bam appoint babulala uMandela kanjani and all stuff. Sakayakhuluma zonke lezi zinto lezi. So mina I need you guys to realize ukuthi the one that person was fighting for us, it was long ago dead. Washona kudala. Mandela washona kudala. Yes, naye lo omshona wabo bamcreateile. Yes, siyambonga cause ukhonile ku controller kwaba ne control eSouth Africa, understand? Abalungu nabantu abamnyama bazwana but azange bazwane fandiwan cause even now it's 2025 i-racist itsasekhona, and that thing will never end because these people abafuna ukuthi sibe normal nabo, sibe standard esiwane, sibe mehlomane. If they see you babona you are the black person, and unemali overbona, they bakuthumela ngeSARS. Uzontshela okuningi ukuphathuwa amafoni akhala ngapha bangifuna ngapha nangapha kuningi man. Hayi